Colby Ag Tech is brought to you by Copperhead Ag Products. Visit copperheadag.com for more information. With that crop growing in the fields this time of year, it's essential that it gets all the nutrients it needs. But adding too many nutrients can be costly, so growers need to know what the nutrient loads are in those plants. Typically, that's been a time-consuming process, but some new technology that Chad Colby shares with us speeds it up considerably.
How farmers can really start to analyze what's happening in their field. You need real-time results. We've talked about it from an imagery standpoint for probably the last 20 years. Talk about this new tool where a guy can go out and get real-time leaf samples.
Well, the power of the LeafTech Ag tissue scanner is we actually can go stand in the field, and we've just done it here real time. We've taken a sample, and within 3 to 5 minutes by scanning, we get the answer from the cloud, and the farmer can take action right away.
So Mike, I noticed when I used the machine, one thing I was kind of interested about, I could go up and down a corn plant or a cotton plant, whatever I wanted with this, and take multiple scans, but how long does it take to get the data back after it's processed?
Well, it's very quick. It only takes about 20 seconds to get the scan, and then in 3 to 5 minutes, you're getting the data back right in the field that you can take action on.
Wow, talk about what crops this machine will work in now.
Yeah, so currently the technology is being developed for corn, soy, and cotton as the major crops. And then we're also working in tomatoes, alfalfa, and wheat as we go along. So it's just a matter of time, and many of the crops will be available in the next 6 to 12 months.
You know, the big question producers are going to ask is the cost. Talk a little bit about the model with this machine and how you guys have structured that.
Yeah, so you send your samples to the lab, and that costs anywhere from $15 to $50 depending on the sample, the time it takes, and so forth. So this is being offered as a subscription service, software as a service. So there's a yearly fee that'll be paid. The nice thing about that is if there's any updates to the technology, you'll be able to receive those. We send the device back in to the company, and they'll send you a new one with the updates as part of that service.
Talk a little bit how producers can learn more about this machine.
There's a small run this year, limited, and then it will grow in production into the next year. We see this technology being used by crop consultants, by ag retailers, in research, those kinds of things. And then there's going to be farmers out there that say, hey, I need this technology. You know, a farmer spends maybe $6 an acre every 2 or 3 years to do soil sampling. If you look, that's a couple dollars an acre every year. So with this technology, I think between the farmer as ag consultant, it's going to be one that'll be implemented very quickly to help make those real-time decisions.
And finally, I know we've got the Farm Progress Show coming up. I'm certain you'll get to see this there.
Yes, we will. We'll be there in multiple booths, and actually in the Farm Next booth, John and his team will be there also. And then you can come and see us at Newfields Ag there at the Farm Progress Show.
For This Week in Agribusiness, I'm Chad Colby.
Fascinating technology. Thank you, Chad. Folks, that's the LeafTech Ag Scanner.